In this video, I'll show you how to create a Zap in Zapier. First, sign in to your Zapier account and open your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Create, then select Zaps to start building a new automation. Next, choose the app that will act as your trigger. Select the event that will start the workflow, such as receiving a new email, submitting a form, or creating a new record. Connect your account if prompted, then test the trigger to make sure Zapier can access your data. After that, click Add Action and choose the app that should perform the next step. Select the action event, connect the account, and map the data from the trigger to the appropriate fields in the action. Run a test to confirm the action works correctly before moving on. Now, review your Zap and make sure each step is configured properly. If needed, add filters, delays, or additional actions to customize the workflow. Test the complete automation one more time to verify that every step runs successfully. Finally, click Publish or turn your Zap on to activate it. From this point forward, Zapier will automatically run your workflow whenever the trigger event occurs. You can return to your dashboard at any time to edit, monitor, or pause the Zap. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Zap in Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.